Hello everybody, welcome to week 3. 5 weeks left. It's a quick course, so there's going to be a lot of content in each week. And this week I've added an add mail functionality video for your homework assignments. Last week, part 2, you were asked to do a contact form, and we're going to take that form in this video and we're going to add mail functionality to it. So that's how we'll be teaching that. Now there's also a video on thumbnailing that I put together. It's one of the most productive things that PHP offers me. Excuse me. And you will need this for your homework. Then we have a couple of videos covering our basic content. So you can do these in order that they're built. Actually, this should be the thumbnail script comes after the thumbnailing video because you can use it. It's the code from the video. Anyway, the control structures and arrays cover the book content, so you can spend some time reading the assignment, going through the book code, and then I've added some other code examples for you here. Simple conditions with the switch, loop exercise, array demos. Now, the loop exercises and array exercises, they're for you, okay? Show you, give you an idea what they are. Something like this. With PHP, we use a nested for loop that creates a chessboard as shown below. Use the table width of 270 pixels and take 30 pixels as the cell height and width. And I'm looking for you to work within a loop, and that's what all these questions ask for. So if you want the answers, you can email me, or if you want to, you can just check them online. They're pretty prevalent online if you want to Google them, but that's the way to get good. I'm not going to check your work on that. I'm just doing it to give you something to do for the people who are really serious. And there's also an arrays question, and this is basically a for each loop and a population of a drop-down, so it's integrated with HTML as well. So have fun with that. Again, those two things are optional, but if you really want to learn this, you will do them. And lastly, we have an assignment 3, week 3, which I'll go over real quick. This is basically, let me make sure this is hold on, I want to make sure that this is, you're given a thumbnail script this week. I need you to do the following. Allow PNGs and GIFs. If the image is not available, have like a thumbnail stock behind it, like image coming soon, and use the check out the file exists function for this. This isn't going to make sense until you see my video on thumbnails, but once you do, that's the first part of the assignment. And part 2, we were given an upload script last week, and in that upload, I want you to make sure that the only file type that can be uploaded is a JPEG. Now, I showed you how to do that in the video, but also I want to make sure that no JPEG that can be uploaded is more than 1 megabyte. So these things all require conditions, if statements. That's why. And this requires if statements. These are all based on the two contents, the two subjects that this week covers, which is control statements, if conditions, and loops, and also arrays.